Hi everyone, hope you're keeping really well. I wanted to come on today to do a quick video basically to explain our video consultation service and how the two different levels of service work and which one might be for you depending on what kind of questions you have and what sort of problems you're trying to solve. So basically these are interior design, interior architecture, video consultations. They're all done by recorded video. And the whole idea behind these consultations is that you can get professional design advice without the need for engaging a designer in a full design contract, basically. So that's the whole idea behind it. So there's two different levels of service that I wanted to tell you about. The first one is a €97 video consultation. And this one is for you if you have questions about like how to finish a room or finish a space in your home, to pull it all together and to really make it look, very cohesive and like it has been done, like you've had an interior designer into your home to finish it off for you. So if you have questions, for example, about finishing a room in your home, like, I've done my painting, but I've no idea what kind of carpet would really make this look great, or I'm not sure what kind of furniture would look great in here, or what kind of artwork should I hang and how should I display it, or lighting. It could be any of those sorts of questions. So color, furniture, finishes, flooring, lighting, any of those sort of things. If you have 3 or 4 questions that you want to ask me, what you do is send me a video, take a video on your phone, send me a video of the whole space. So walk around and film the whole space that you're trying to finish. And you can ask me the questions on the video that you want to know about. And what I will do is I will send you a recorded video back. So just like this one, a recorded video, I'll give you all of my advice and my tips, and I'll tell you exactly what I would do as an interior designer if you were to engage me to come in and finish that space for you, how I would finish it, what I would put in there, what I would choose, all that sort of stuff. And I'll even send you an email with the samples, so sample images of the type of carpet I might pick or the type of paint or whatever it might be. So you'll get the video, recorded from me, with me talking to you, giving you all of my advice, and you'll get sample ideas sent back to you by email, just to help you kind of finish off that space. And as I say, that particular video consultation is €97. It's great for you if you don't want to kind of pay for the big full design consultation, but you just have a few questions and you want a bit of professional advice. So that's the first one. The second one then is for if you're doing bigger projects and you really want to get advice on how to maybe lay out a new floor plan in your home. So for example, if you're doing an extension or you're doing a renovation, maybe you're looking at knocking 2 rooms together, or maybe you're looking at completely redoing your kitchen, for example, and you want to fit an island or a bar or something in there, and you want a designer to take a look at the interior architecture of your house and tell you how you can best lay that out so that you make the absolute most of the natural light, the orientation of things in your home, the available floor space that you have, all that sort of stuff. So again, what you would do is take a video and some pictures of your home, of the space that you're trying to do up, and also sketch me up a floor plan of the space. So you would just do a rough sketch, doesn't have to be perfect, but put in your dimensions, so how much each wall and each door measures and all that kind of thing. And what I will do then is I will have a look at your floor plan, I'll redesign the space for you. I'll send you back a video just like this one, about a 20-minute video with all of that detail. So explaining the floor plan for you, explaining exactly what I would do to make the most of that space and to make it the most beautiful that it can possibly be. And I'll also help you with the finishes that might look great in the space. So what I would choose, again, if you were to engage me in a full contract, what I would choose for you, in terms of your flooring, your paint colors, your furnishings, cabinetry, all that sort of stuff. I'll put all of those samples and that advice into the video for you as well. And I'll send it to you in a separate email too. So what you'll get from me is the video with all of that professional design advice. You'll get a copy of the floor plans, hand-drawn floor plans that I will do for you. You'll get a sample board, a digital sample board with all of the things that I would pick for you to put into that home to really make it finished and looking very beautiful. And I'll even give you, if you need them, a list of my top suppliers, so you can access my suppliers who I rely on all the time to create beautiful spaces for me when I design. So that is the second level of service, and that one, as I say, is €280. So you can have a look on our book a consultation page and you'll see the two different design consultations listed there, and you can just book them directly. You pay through the website and basically receive an email then straight away just telling you what I need from you, and then within 5 working days you'll have my videos and my emails back to you with all of my best design advice and tips. So I hope that you find that really useful. I hope that you find the type of consultation that you're looking for. If you have any questions at all, you can email me on info@whatwouldaddesignerdo.com. And in the meantime, if you want to browse around the website, there's a page called Designer Tips. Go and have a look there as well. There's some great tips and advice and some videos on just little kind of designer tips, you know, rules of thumb, things that I use all the time to create beautiful spaces. So I hope you enjoy that, and I will talk to you soon.